Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're drawing a polar bear cake pop inspired by Starbucks. So let's get started. To draw this very yummy cake pop, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle for our polar bear. And then I'm going to come right next to it, pretty close, and draw another circle. And since I think I have enough space, I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes. With two small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. But if you're drawing smaller than I am, you definitely just put in one highlight and shade it all in. So let's do the same thing over here. This way I get to put some color in the eyes. There. Okay, so now that I have the eyes in, I'm going to come underneath them and draw this really big oval for the nose and mouth area. So let's say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and I'll just start this really wide curve. So cute, right? And it's like a sad face, and then we're going to go around about right here. Just want to draw this big wide oval. And connect. There. Round this part off a little bit more. Okay, so now that I have this, let's come inside towards the center area, about right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw this big polar bear nose. Let's bring it down. And then I'm going to come straight down the middle, about right here, with a straight line. And then we're going to curve out on both sides and cap it off. Same thing here. And then I'll just come back here to put in a little highlight and shade it all in. There. And then I'm going to go above each eye, just draw a soft curve. And then now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the little hat. So right above these eyes, I'm going to go ahead and see about right here. Just going to draw a soft curve right on top. And let's round it off on both sides. And then connect it. And then we're going to go up a little bit on both sides for this little hat. And I'll just put in a little circle right here on top. The cake pop, of course, doesn't have this, but I thought it'd be cute to just make it look like an actual hat. And then now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the cake pop shape. So let's say about right here on both sides. Just give myself a point. I'm going to start right here and draw this big round polar bear ear to say about right here. Just make it nice and round. And same thing over here. Approximate. And then we're going to kind of soften it as we come down and out. So same thing here, soften it out and out. And then we're going to bring it all the way down to create our cake pop shape. So nice and round, and where the mouth is, just kind of start to curve it in. About right there. So then we're going to curve it towards the center. Bring it down to about right here. And same thing on this side, towards the center. There. Okay, so now that we have that, we're going to come down here and we want to end it, finish it. So just make sure this is nicely in the center. So we're just going to come down and curve in a little bit. Same thing here. We end it a little bit lower and then connect for the cream part. And then we're going to come down here, come in a little bit, and here, about here, and we're going to draw the cake pop. Some cake pop stick. Not K-pop, cake pop. So I'm going to go straight down. As best as I can. So about right there, and then just end it. And then in this part, that would be so cute, was to, the stick actually has these stripes. So I went into Starbucks and I just saw this cake pop and it was just so cute and perfect for the holidays, and thought I'd draw it for you and hopefully you'll love it. Okay, so there. And then another touch is on the ears right here. There's some more details. So let's say about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and wobble this shape right in here. Kind of like a macaroni, I guess. And then same thing on the other side. So play around with it, see which way is easier for you to draw. You can draw this curve first, and then once again wobble and connect. There. And let's see if we're missing anything. Last thing, of course, let's add a heart right here in the center. I'm just gonna add a small little heart to make this my Draw So Cute polar bear cake pop from Starbucks. I really hope you love this and I helped you draw fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.